I've tested a bunch of air dusters, and I will say right off the bat that this JOCO air duster, it is not the most powerful that I have tested. But in my opinion, there are some features that are just as, if not more important than the power that the JOCO does really well that I want to talk about. This is a sponsored video, and I don't want to share too much of my opinion. I just want to kind of talk about the tests that I did with this and some of the features that I think make this JOCO a really nice air duster. So this is an air duster and a vacuum in one. Let's have a look. You do get this kind of velvety pouch, lots of attachments. So it does charge via USB-C, so you can charge it at the bottom there. When you plug it in, it has some indicator LEDs to let you know if it is fully charged or not. Here is the power button, and then it actually has a slide for how fast it goes. That's pretty unique. We have a look here. You can see kind of it's got some metal blades over here. That looks like a jet. That's pretty cool looking. This is really interesting. So this is the vacuum part, and so you'd want to put it on the end here, and it just uses friction to go on. So nice and easy. And then it does have attachments. So this is pretty cool actually. So you can vacuum up that way. Got another attachment with a brush, so if you need to move the dust around before you vacuum it. And you can take this off, and it has this filter that you could clean. And of course, this has other nozzles. Now let's see, how do you put the nozzles on is the real question. Oh, here you go. So this is an aluminum tip, and it does screw on like that. Not bad. And then you can put, like, this is for inflating a beach ball or something like that. The first thing that makes this really unique is it's got a really small size. This might be the smallest air duster I've ever tested. I like that it's a small size. Also, it's all metal. Like, the whole body is aluminum. That's really cool. Not completely unique, but fairly unique compared to most air dusters I've tried. One thing that is really unique is there is a slider here to adjust the level. So if I press and hold the button to turn it on, I can gradually turn it down with this slider. So I've got this down all the way. You can probably hear it a little bit. It's really quiet. It's really nice that you can kind of just adjust the power very easily with that slider. It charges via USB-C. And one of the coolest things about this air duster is it doubles as a vacuum. So it comes with this attachment, and the design for this I think is really clever. All you do is just plop it on there and you're done. So that is it. Really easy and straightforward. The reason why this is really important to me is all an air duster does is it blows dust or whatever you're trying to blow. It just moves things from one place to another. In some instances, that's okay. But usually when something's dusty, you want to get rid of the dust. You just don't want to move it from one place to the other. That's why I think the vacuum attachment is so nice. So I've actually been using this more as a vacuum than I have as an air duster, and it's worked really well for that. So aside from vacuuming, you can use it as an air duster just to kind of get those hard to reach places like in keyboards where you can't get between the keys or things like that. But I also find it's really nice using the slider. You can put it on a really slow speed. So if you're soldering or you're doing hobby painting or something and you need to blow fumes or smoke away from you, you can put it on a low speed. It's really quiet, and the battery is going to last a long time if you're on the low speed. So if you're looking for an air duster and all you care about is power, then you probably want to look for something else. But if you're looking for overall functionality, this is probably one of the best I've seen. I really like the vacuum design, just super simple. I like all the attachments that come with this. I like how this adjusts the air power. Overall, just a really cool and nice air duster.